Hey guys, just got this keyboard from BOYI and this is AL65 CNC aluminum mechanical keyboard. Guys told me that this is a perfect compact keyboard, so let's check this together. So we have a pretty simple cable, pretty simple puller, several switches, Allen wrench and one keycap. So let's check what we have as a keyboard. Whoa, this is pretty nice. Right, so this is really aluminum case, right? And this is really compact one. Hey, and we even have a knob. And this keyboard even wireless. This is just amazing. Well, I will do the full review soon, but how it sounds.